Good morning, everybody, and today I'm here to talk to you about the analysis of conditions using the Internet Protocol version 6 in Indonesia. Why it is essential? Because the supply for the IP version 4 is very low. It's this to be upgraded to the version is the called IP version 6. And today, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanif, and I'm the student of Diploma Technology Telecommunication University, and my hometown is Pekanbaru, Riau. Okay, this is my favorite quotes. Did you know, as the time goes by, the developers in Indonesia have begun to grow. The need for the Internet Protocol or IP addresses will also certainly rise as well. Why? Because the supported device in the user is still makes using the IP percent 4. That's why it's the IP percent 4 is the in crisis. Okay, you can see in the black graph at the May 2017, application for available on the 13 million active version for availability. As the time goes by, at May 2020, application for have availability on 1 million addresses. Now you can see the source in the link in down below. Okay, let's go to the main topic. The first, the output of Pacific, the second, the growth of Pacific in Indonesia, and the last, the analysis results. Okay, output of Pacific 4. First is the 128-bit lack of address. Because if the bit of addresses are large, it can be accommodate more addresses. IP version 4 can contain 5 trillion addresses. And the second is generation addresses of the internet. Why? Because the version 4, version 6 is the next generation addresses have the latest updated. And the last is secure because the IP version 6 is automatically embedded IP security. That's why the IP version 6 is very secure. Okay, you can see in the graph on the chocolate index, Indonesia. Indonesia have the implementation IP version 6 have one one 1,300 implementation implementation 6 Indonesia. This is very low. Big. There are several many problems. On the next slide, I will explain it. You can see in the source the link down below. Okay. And the results. There are the three problem points in the application 6 conditions process, and I will explain the one by one. At first is the need for the admin engineers to focus on error tunneling with application 4. Because if you don't using the tunneling method, then the application 6 cannot connect with the application 4. It's very important too. And second, socialization to the surrounding citizen has not been maximized. This is very important because service provider must be encouraged to provide the advice to service users on using the IPv6, which as we know, IPv4 is crisis. And the last, the app manager must be able to perform maintenance on the internet network device based on IPv6, because if an admin engineer can perform maintenance of the IPv6 device, it's very difficult if you get ordered to perform maintenance on the network. The conclusion, and this is a conclusion. The conclusion is the public is not too aware or of the crisis IPv4. Society does not think too much about the existing technology as long as everything runs without obstacles. That's why that you must to learn the technology and up to date. So using the IPv6 now. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.